Maybe I should just sit
in front
down.
of the house. They'll go by a couple of times. They go by early in the morning. My God, this morning at 6 o'clock in the morning. Full speakers. Already campaigning.
Yeah, they were campaigning early this morning. 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, something like that. And it was loud. Shook me out of bed.
I know, it's funny. They're all election vehicles.
Yeah.
The whole row, look.
Yeah, this is a, what do you call it? What would you call it? A campaign caravan?
A campaign caravan, yeah, exactly. All the different candidates.
Yeah. Let's catch them.
Here we go.
Yeah, this is the street where we live, and it's covered.
We didn't really have to go far.
Well, we didn't have to go far, but you never know with these
You never
things.
know where they're going to turn.
We can just walk down this way.
Hey, they're way bye-bye at everybody. The election.
All right. Yeah, so we're walking all the way up to McArthur, and this is right by our house. They're coming by now. And they have traffic police here. Or, yeah, well, I guess it's traffic police, right? All right, let's go down and walk by these people. Catch it. How are you? I'm gonna try to walk down this way. It's so noisy, but we'll cover them. Oh yeah! Thank you. Yeah. All right. Yeah, you'll be on YouTube tonight. YouTube tonight. All right.
Is that the man that give you candy right now?
Yeah, you want one?
I'll take one.
That's funny.
Campaign bribe.
One of them.
Huh?
I don't one.
No. I am not one of them. I don't even vote here.
Oh yeah, I know.
All right. Traffic ain't moving very fast, but huh? Right? Crazy. Huh? Motor arcade.
Oh yeah.
Political motor arcade.
Yeah.
It's crazy. All right, this is how you drive a campaign, political campaign.
Literally drive.
And it's literally driving, yeah. There's, I don't see a whole lot of where they stop and have meetings and speeches.
No, they have music and they put their campaign slogan to the music.
Yeah, they
take
write
popular,
they take
popular songs and then they rewrite the songs to put their slogan in there,
put
and
the
everybody
slogan.
just sings it along. So
Yeah.
it's kind of interesting. I wish I could understand what they're saying, but
Yeah. Well, it's not easy to understand.
there you go. There's Mr. Eddie Soto. Hello. Yeah, throwing candy at the people.
Yeah. Yeah.
Throwing candy at the kids.
Yeah, they throw candy at the kids. And I'm a big kid, so I picked some up.
Yeah.
All right, so
Must be a dentist.
it's a dentist trying to get elected. All right, guys, that's it for today. A little coverage of local Philippine government elections. It's unbelievable. All right, we enjoyed it. God bless, guys. Bye bye.